was a summer. I was getting off work. I walked onto the closest SkyTrain station. There was a girl about my age. She sat down next to me and fell into a medical emergency. She was unconscious. When we found out that she had an overdose, this really blew my mind. So many of us just don't know the most basic signs of overdose and how to help. My name's Chloe Goodison. I'm 22 years old. I'm from Port Moody, British Columbia, and I'm the founder and executive director of Naloxhome Society. So Naloxhome is working in BC school districts to provide youth-to-youth drug education. We send 2 of our youth volunteers into classrooms, and they conduct workshops about naloxone with naloxone training, which is the medication that reverses overdoses. A lot of people who have had drug education in their high schools have gotten it from a parent or a teacher or a police officer, and it does not resonate with them. We are the only group doing what we're doing in that we're all 18 to 25-year-olds on our team who are going into these classes and reaching people pretty much our own age with drug education. There's a clear need for us right across British Columbia, and when we have a great opportunity, we're gonna act on it. So I was able to apply for this Mazda Canada Rising Legends Award. It was very exciting all around because this kind of money can make a huge difference. My biggest goal with this money is to be able to expand across British Columbia into those pockets of the province that don't have drug education in their classes. I thought when we started that the kids would be like, oh, this is another drug talk. We know this stuff. These youth that we reach are alert and listening and paying attention because they don't know anything that we're talking about. We're saving lives just by reaching kids with this information. That is what compels me to keep doing this.